It's quite magical, don't you think? Hello guys, good evening. I am out for evening walk with my beloved friend. She's waiting for me. Tinku! So guys, the weather is very pleasant. I'll show you around. There is a pond nearby. Tinku, smile. Oh, Tinku is leading. Peaceful place surrounded by the calmness of nature. You can feel the tranquility and the aura it brings. Once a local told me that this pond which I'm going to show fills up only twice or thrice in a year. We are quite lucky. Since we came, we have witnessed the pond fill up twice. Yesterday was the second time I witnessed the pond fill up. There are kids playing football and you can hear the stream. The sky is blue. I didn't go to gym today because it's my rest day, so I thought I'll go for a walk. जब यो पन्ड फिलअप हुँदैन के हुन्छ भन्दा चाहिँ it brings an omen of drought. Feel गर्यो भन्दा चाहिँ अब normally the soil remains fertile. In my perspective, I found this place quite unique. Yes. हामी एकछिन view enjoy गर्न सक्छौँ. This is the guava tree. यतानिर हाम्रो lychee tree छ. And behind the lychee tree there is a mango tree. So beautiful and serene. Last time iti goirum thina and I won't go inside today because I'm not prepared. Tinkule malai eta wait गरिराख्छ. Guys, this is it. Tinku, zoom होला पुरा हिलो रहेछ. It's quite marshy. We have decided to go, at least I've decided to just go. My bottoms is already wet. Actually, it doesn't quite make sense for us to leave, but we just want to avoid reptiles especially. Today Tinku is in playful mood. She's running around and marking her territory. Tinku, zoom para aja. Where are you going? Tinku, now what do you have to say about this? Tinku is a smart dog. So we're returning back. The banana plantation. I can see some spinach. White color ko dog sa di Jimmy oh.
Hello Jimmy.
Jimmy aja. Oh, Jimmy. Bentar. The cardamom plantation. यतानिर छ हाम्रो सानो stream that waters all the fields during monsoons. Ayo. Ayo Tinku. 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 पर्खिनु मलाई हाम्रो एक्लै हो. It's been 3 months. Tinku and I, we have been friends, but she has been my constant friend since August. Till then, she has been accompanying me most of the times. Oh, that's Tinku and her. As far as I know, it's either one of her siblings or one of her offspring. I'll end my vlog right here. This is an impromptu vlog. This is my friend's GoPro. Since I damaged my GoPro, I think I need to buy a new one. Capture the beauty of this place as long as I'm here. So guys, if you have watched this vlog till the end, thank you for watching.
Open your hand, close your eyes. Give me your hand like this. Both the hands. Okay, there is a surprise for you, and this is Jumbo. Dog bite.